Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today.
What's up?
Why are you laughing?
No.
Today we have some patties today. We didn't feel like cooking today, so we took a break today and we are eating some patties. So we have some jerk chicken patties and we also have some curry chicken patty. And then I have a cocoa bread. Yay!
Nice and soft.
And warm. And I have a cola champagne.
And I got which one I don't know? The pineapple one. Pineapple D&G Jamaican soda.
That's right.
No.
And my husband is going to have 2 jerk and 1 curry, and I'm going to have a jerk and a curry. I may not get to the curry.
You might just get the cocoa bread alone.
That's what I'm saying. And all of the patties them does have cheese in it. We put cheese in every single one of them.
Oh, that's a jerk one.
Yeah, the one that has a J. And you guys know I've had this on my channel before. And this is how it looks with the cheese inside.
Nice.
Nice and piping hot. Yes. I just put 1 slice of American cheese in there.
I don't got to show you mine, guys. The same thing. I just want to.
And then I just flatten it out. And then I'm going to break it in half. I could have cut it, but I want to break it in half. And then this is how it looks with the cheese, the cocoa bread, everything.
And the curry one.
Ooh. And the curry one?
Nice one.
You know, I have to drink something. Excuse me. Coming out?
No, I'm showing the curry. I wish I could see the curry. Reload, no?
Yeah.
Nice.
I hope you guys are having a good day.
For real.
Oh, the thing is starting to act up again. With the shaking of the... Did my something come out?
What are you doing this on? Oh, yeah, put this on.
There we go. It's good?
What? Good, you roll what's up? It's so good, just ain't what's up.
Squeezing out. Yeah.
Curry on fleek.
Excuse me, why?
Get it out. And present to my side good. Like that.
A jerk chicken patty?
Where you going?
And napkin, please. It's on your side today.
I see that.
A jerk chicken patty is very good. So this is how we eat it in Jamaica. With cocoa bread, with cheese. Some people like it with cheese, some people don't. Each his own. It depends on what mood I'm in. If I want cheese or not.
Yeah. Don't even your mood.
Which patty is your favorite?
All of them. All of them.
We fell for a party today. We haven't had a party in a while.
In a minute. Yeah. Flaking. Yeah.
It's good.
Real good.
I'm just laughing at now.
Party with though.
Fat body!
When I'm party with the fat body.
My auntie came up with that.
And you see, she got to laugh.
I told you guys we have a food truck and we sell patties on the food truck. So these are our patties that we sell. So we didn't have to go anywhere. We just put them in the oven. And when I'm going on the food truck, and my auntie was here, out of nowhere, she was like, my niece, I got some patty with our fat body.
And it's sticking up.
And it's stuck. It's stuck. So when she see this video, she's gonna scream. And that's crazy. If you notice that my eyes are red, I'm telling you, I haven't smoked any weed. I don't smoke anyway.
Contact the lady, man.
I had my contacts in a few hours ago, and then I took them out, and my eyes are still red. So I don't know what's going on, but
We don't do no weed over here.
But we don't smoke weed or cigarettes.
You gotta stay sober before we get pulled over.
Yeah, rhyme.
Come on. Back to them bad still, man. How are you?
Yes.
How are you, bad man? So, back to my guy, I see the bar alpha sandwich.
Yo, why you gotta embarrass me?
Hey, I love watch me.
No, because I have to take my time. That's why I can't do that
How's your
challenge.
this?
Alright, curry chicken one that.
I mean, I'm a curry.
No, a jerk and yum.
No, I'm a curry. The first one I curried.
Oh, so this is supposed to be my patty.
Where?
This one.
Curry you want to? Okay. It's always.
I know I'm not gonna eat that.
I don't know.
That's what I'm saying. How am I gonna do the dirty dozen challenge? The 12 eggs and 12 sausage or bacon or whatever. My husband can do it. Richie can do it, no problem. I can't do it. A dozen eggs and a dozen slices of bacon, that's a lot. And when you say it, you're like, oh no, it's not that much. It's a lot.
It is a lot.
Oh! Guys, do you want to see my outfit of the day? Check it out.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
I'm sorry, guys. I forgot about the outfit of the day. Please, don't be mad. When you start yumming these patties, and the fat body, gone on my head enough.
The party with the fat body got in man for real. Snap back to reality now.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I hope you guys liked my outfit of the day. First of all, I don't know why I came in front of this camera with two patties in and cocoa bread. If I didn't have the cocoa bread, I could eat both of them. Well, 1.5. But the cocoa bread, that's a lot. You don't think so? Can you eat two patties with cocoa bread?
Yeah.
Like a patty and a cocoa bread and a patty and a cocoa bread? Oh my gosh.
Yo, Do not let me finish this before you finish that. Seriously.
You gonna threaten me on the camera?
I'm just telling you. I'm warning you.
When I sat down, I was
greedy
starving
lady.
enough.
Mm-hmm.
It's the bread.
Mm-hmm. Bread fully up. But why you eat so much hot dog?
I don't know.
I know bread. The same thing.
Maybe because it's bread and then crust.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
Well, I'm full. You're gonna eat that. You're right.
Why take that? Why take tell you about biting me up on the camera?
I ain't full. Mm-mm. I'm not full.
Are you slow?
Oh my God. Mm-mm.
If you've never tried a Jamaican soda,
Yeah,
you see, you're missing out.
that's what happened. Mm-mm. 2 for the price of 1.
But
Put it on my bill.
what be your bill? You can pay your feet.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You're missing out. I mean, and we have so many different flavors too.
Mm-hmm. Here again. Oh, wow. That was crazy. Here you go. Here you go. Twist off. Mm-hmm.
Ooh, ooh. Wow.
Comment. Yeah, comment, right? Mm-hmm. Leave a comment in the bottom if you ever ate
Jamaican
our
patties.
patties, Jamaican patties, or tried our patties. Because a lot of y'all did before.
That's true. If you guys live in the area, you guys have tried our patties before.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. John Obi. That's why you don't like when I come out here to come lunchtime. Because you know, so we never fall like patty then.
When he come on the truck for the day, he brushed down 6 patties with no problem. And you know say that he don't pay for them?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, too.
You don't pay for them, you know?
Mm-hmm. My money is your money. Mm-hmm. Look how much tip you get. You don't tell the people what the tip you get.
It's my tip.
All right.
I'm working.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness. Sorry, guys.
You remember the one you say you want one spicy like you?
No, I'm not sorry.
You remember that I say you want one spicy like you? Okay.
I am very spicy. I'm a firecracker.
The guy said, give me one spicy like you. I said, all right. That's all you want? That's the money.
This cocoa bread is so soft. I have another one.
Cheers. Damn. Look at belch, you know?
Like that. But it's a good belch. Is there a bad belch? I think so. If a belch smells. We went fishing today. Yo, I know what you're gonna say. Is the bridge in Key West open? No.
Bridge ain't open yet.
We went not at our local spot. We caught a few fish.
What you call it? 6 croakers?
We caught a few swim arounds. But
Wow.
Key West officially opens back up for everyone June 1st. So as soon as we come back for my road trip, we will be there.
I'll be living here.
It's recording, right? It's recording, right?
Yeah. You can see. Take what they them.
We're going to take you guys on the journey with us on our road trip. It's going to be called, well, I'll tell you the title later, but we're going to be doing a road trip. We're going to be driving, riding, and driving. You need help eating that one? I can help you.
Finish that.
I'm done.
How you gonna help me? This was yours. I treat me up so you make me eat 4. Always do that.
I made you eat 4.
Almost, yes you did. Yep. Another piece of that.
No.
No, that's what we eat. I asked for 3 family. And she brought 4. Wow.
This thing makes you...
Damn, that's all I want to eat. You want to bite them? Mm-mm.
It makes you burp so much.
And drink the soda?
You call it champagne.
Wow. That's nice.
If you want to burp, don't get a soda, a Coca-Cola soda. Or a Sprite. Get your Cola champagne.
Get the D&G. Good cheese in there. Put it back right there. See? Right there.
Can you see it squeezing out?
Come out. Curry and everything, right?
I'm telling you, I would love to do that challenge, but we know we can't do it. We can't manage that.
You can't do it, boy. You don't really
Fancy eggs.
fancy eggs like that unless you put in a thing.
By the time I take 3 or 4 spoonfuls of egg, I'm full.
Tomorrow, same time we sitting here.
Because it's just, even without the challenge, I could only eat like 2 eggs. If I eat a lot of egg, I feel, it makes me feel nauseous. I don't know why. Look at this piece right here. Right here.
Oh, she's helping me today.
And put it in my
She's
patty.
helping me with her own patty.
Let me tell you something. Our subscribers are probably like, they never leave no food. Or they barely leave food. Oh my gosh. Listen, I promise you this is not a burping contest.
Get it out, girl.
It's not a burping contest, but you can't help it. What are you thinking about?
Chewing soft. Got me up a belch. Damn. A lot of belch there, man. Damn. Today was a long day.
It was. But this soda too, it keeps its freshness the whole time you have it open. From the beginning to the end. Every time you drink it, you're gonna burp or taste it.
You done before me today?
Barely. I don't think that's a
One more.
yin yam 4 patties.
Are you make me name for? I treat my ask for.
No. You want me to tell the truth to the people then?
Treat my ask for.
Do you want me to tell the truth to
Tell
the
the
people?
truth and nothing but the truth. Sure, I asked for you say you're gonna bring 2 for yourself and 1 cocoa bread. If I tell the people your business now,
Go ahead.
I am 4.
No.
But it's all good. It's all good. I ate
I'm
it.
sorry. No. He said he wanted 3 patty with cheese. And I said I'm gonna have 1 patty with cocoa bread and cheese. But then I said I know him. I'm gonna add another patty with cheese just in case. Right? Richard? So when the patty finished done baking and everything, he come around the corner, he said, you know something could have 4 patty. And I said, I know, that's why I added the next one just in case, because come and know, so you're greedy, aka the greedy couple.
Get it from you.
Guys, oh my gosh, it was fun, and we really appreciate you guys, and we thank you so much for joining us today. You guys have a great day, and like I always say, I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there. Mario, you still a chew?
Sometimes they feel like a fake.
Your teeth feel fake today? I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch us. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you for another mukbang.
Like, share, and comment. Bye.